Hello, today we will solve question number 20 from Mechanical Engineering Set 1 of 2017 GATE paper. The question is cylindrical pins of diameter 15 plus minus 0.02 mm are being produced on a machine. Statistical quality control test show a mean of 14.995 mm and standard deviation of 0.004 mm. We need to calculate the process capability index CP. To solve this question, one can refer to the NPTEL course video lecture which is mentioned over the right top corner. First, we try to understand that what is the process capability index. So, process capability index measures the extent of variation a process experiences relative to its specification limits. It is denoted by CP. Now, we assume here that the process output varies. Process output follows the normal distribution. So the graph which is shown here, it is normal distribution curve. Here mu is the mean, sigma is the standard deviation. Here 68% of the distribution lies within one standard deviation of mean, and also 95% of distribution lies within two standard deviations of the mean, and similarly 99.7% of distribution lies within three standard deviation of the mean. Now let's see this graph here, this one. Here, suppose we take an example similar to our question. So in question it is said that the machine produces some pins of certain diameter, that is diameter of 15 with upper and lower limit as 0.02 and 0 minus 0.02 mm. So it is the design specification. It is designed. This means that the diameter which lies in between this range is acceptable. Now the statistical quality control test. In this, we observe that the machine is producing pins of diameter with a mean of 14.995 mm and with a standard deviation of 0.004 mm. Now, why do we calculate the process capability index? We know that we designed the pin for this much of diameter and we are getting the diameter with a mean of 14.995 mm and standard deviation of 0.004. Now if we see this graph, our design width is in between of upper specification limit and lower specification limit. That means the diameter between these regions are acceptable. Also, the statistical quality control test shows this graph, shows this distribution, where this is called the process width. So we need to compare between design width and processes. So what we will do, we will just calculate the process capability index, which is given as CP as upper specification limit minus lower specification limit divided by 6 sigma. So how do we calculate the upper specification limit and the lower specification limit? So to calculate this, this is our diameter. Diameter is given as 15 plus minus of 0.02 mm. So here we can see the variation is 15.02 minus 14.98, that gives 0.04. That means the difference between upper specification limit and lower specification limit is 0.04 divided by 6 into sigma is given as 0.004. After solving, we get Cp as 1.667. So this is our answer. Now let us try to understand what is meant by the Cp 1.667. So here the design width is constant. This is the design width, and this is the normal distribution curve of the process data with some mu. Here sigma, 2 sigma, and this is 3 sigma. Similarly, here minus sigma, minus 2 sigma, minus 3 sigma. Now the process capability index is 1.667. Therefore, it means that the design width is much higher than this width, process width. This is called as process width. Now let us suppose that the distribution is just like this. Now what it means that the machine is producing the pins of diameter very precise. So the precision of this machine is very high. So here in this case the Cp will be high. So the answer is 1.667.